Everything was perfect. Apartment 1-minute walk from the metro and about 15 minutes walk to the going out area, restaurants, bars, tethers. Everything is very close and easy to get to, even touristic attractions.
Had an utterly bizarre experience picking up the keys. They backslash behind a locked door, with a complex code, and another door, with a slightly less complex code, inside a cupboard that seems to be used entirely for bedsheets.
We were amazed at the size of the apartment. There was everything you needed: fridge/freezer, dishwasher, microwave, 2 ovens, washing machine, waste compactor and waste disposal. There were lovely wood floors and it was so quiet, even though you were in central London.
Everything, unacceptable from start to finish. The check-in process was dreadful and not as advertised and pre-organized by me with Excel.
The location is fabulous, down the road from British Museum, with the Cordon Bleu Cookery School Cafe around the corner. Oxford Circus is a 15-minute stroll and Covent Garden 20 minutes away, so great for shopping.
The check-in instructions were given to us when the plane was taking off after sending several emails 1 month in advance with no answer or no clear information.